We're back with DJ, and I'm going to talk about the 10 tips of Hurricane Irma. Number 1, stay indoors. Number 2, go in a safe place without outside walls. Number 3, get all stuff from outside and put it inside or in the garage. 4, put your car in the garage. 5, get your pets out of the outside. Number 6, if there's a flood, get above ground. Number 7, if you have no phone service, then you're screwed. Number 9, charge your phones before. Number 10, stay safe. That's all from me today, guys.
See you. Peace.